If exporting in After Effects feels slow, confusing, repetitive, this video will fix that. I'm gonna show you exactly how to export properly in After Effects, the right settings, the fastest workflow, and how to create a reusable template so you don't have to set up everything again. So the way most people do it is they have their composition open, they go into File, Export, Add to render queue. From here, they customize the setting. You can open the render settings, you can customize the output module, and then by clicking here, you decide where you want to save your file. Now, this is doable, but I think this is quite repetitive, especially if you have to go into File and export every single time. You might have noticed that I have a shortcut here, and you can actually set the shortcut for yourself by pressing Option Command and upper comma, or you can go into File and keyboard shortcuts right over here, and here you'll see the shortcut. And then you just search for render, and it's going to give you this option, add to render queue. Just set a shortcut here for yourself. In my case, it's Option E, but you can set any combination. And the way you can preview the ones that are empty is by pressing like Option or Command or Control, and you'll see that you have a number of empty ones. In the option, I had E empty, so that's why I added it to render. So that's the first step. Now, whenever you are in the composition, you press on Option E, it's just going to right away add it to the render queue. Now, the second mistake most people make is that they customize settings every single time. What I have here is a template which I don't have to touch at all. All I have to do is to choose a place where to save, click on save, and then click on render. Now, in order to set it, all you have to go is to go into edit, template, and output module. Here, I recommend you setting high quality with alpha. This means that if your video is transparent, for example, like the background is transparent, it's going to export it with the transparent background. But if your background is not transparent, it's just going to export it as usual. If you were to set high quality, then whenever you have a transparent background, the background would actually not be transparent. So that's why I recommend you setting these settings. Just press on OK. And now all I have to do is go into the composition and press on Option E, click here, choose the right place to save, click on render, and that's it. I don't have to touch anything. And of course, if you need to customize any further settings, you need to go into edit, template, render settings, and then go ahead and customize the settings here, as well as template, output module, and customize if there's anything else you need to customize. Long story short, if you are not going for something super specific, these settings will work perfectly fine. So just set it there and you'll be good to go. If you enjoyed this video, there's a good chance that you will like this video here, so go ahead and click on it.